Hi friends, welcome to Let's Ask Why. Have you ever wondered why scientists do experiments? Why do they make strange chemicals, build crazy machines, or test weird ideas? Today, we are gonna find out. Scientists do experiments to discover new things about the world. For example, they might mix chemicals to see what happens, like making fire change colors or creating liquids that dance. Every experiment teaches them something new. Fun fact, every discovery, even the tiny ones, can change the world. Scientists also experiment to solve problems. They try different ideas, make mistakes, and test again until they find the best solution. This is how we get things like medicine, bridges that don't fall, and even video games. Experiments can be fun too. Some make colors explode, foam monsters appear, or secret messages show up. Scientists are like detectives, looking for clues, testing ideas, and discovering hidden secrets of nature. So why do scientists experiment? Because every experiment answers a question. Why does this happen? How does that work? Experiments help us understand the world, from tiny molecules to giant planets. And do you know who's my real life scientist? My mom. She answers my questions and makes learning fun. Mom?
Yes, Raj?
Shall we show them an experiment today?
Good idea. Let's go!
Fireproof balloon. Think a balloon always pops near fire. Not this one. If it's filled with water, it doesn't burst. That's because the water absorbs the heat, protecting the balloon. It's like a tiny superhero shield. Fun fact, who knew science could fight fire like this? Science experiments aren't just cool. They teach us secrets about the world. A big shout out to Mary from Super Growth Media for suggesting such an interesting topic. I really liked it. If you have any suggestions for my YouTube channel, please do comment below. I will try to make a video for it. Please do like, share and subscribe and comment below.